Hello, good morning friends. Today I'm going to talk about how to create your home page in Podia. If you don't know about Podia, Podia is a platform where you can sell your online courses. It's a beautiful platform. Nothing to worry, no knowledge of coding required. So you can just start wherever you are, whatever you know. If you want to sell your expertise, if you want to sell your courses, so it's a very good platform. So today I'm going to guide you how to make your home page. Home page is whenever any customer visit your website, that page looks like. So just go to the description here. You can see below that video there is a description. You can go to the description and click that link. Go to that Podia website by clicking that link given in the description, and then after clicking the link, go to our dashboard. I am taking you to our dashboard. Okay. So if you click that link, you will see like this. You will see your dashboard like this. Podia, everything you need to sell courses, webinars, downloads and community. Yeah, so you can see, never worry about getting a bunch of different tools to talk to each other again. So no worry, just start it. Whatever you know, if you want to sell online, if you want to make your presence online, this is one of the best platform. So see what you need to do. So you can start with this, get started for free. It's a 14 days trial, nothing to worry. So you will see like this, try Podia free for 14 days, name, email and password. Just put it and get started. So when you put that get started, email from Podia will come to your email which you wrote it here. And after that, you have to go to your email ID and confirm your email. Right? So after confirming, you need to log in. After login, you will be able to share this dashboard. So you need to create your home page. Okay. So you can edit your site here, or you can go to this your emblem. Click it here and see edit site. Okay. So if you click that edit site, your home page will look like this. I have already made it. Okay. So you can make yourself. So what you need to do first? First you need to make this banner. How it should look like. What is your choice? So I have made it green. You can change this color by content. It's a designing. You can change that background color. It's a green, so you can change any color like red. This is red. Okay, this is blue. So according to your choice, you can create. Then now we'll go to this one. This is your logo. If you want to change that logo, if you have that logo, if you don't have a logo, you can make one logo and upload here. Just go to logo and upload that logo. This was the logo I made it. So if I remove it, see, done. So if you want to upload another logo, just go and see and check where is your logo. So I'm just showing you how to upload. So I'm just, suppose this image is there, I'm just uploading it. Okay. So you can see this is a logo. So you can make your one logo and upload it here. Then the best way is to put one sign up form, because anyone coming to your website should sign up first. You should get his or her email ID. How? Sign up to receive our newsletter. So how it can be done? So you can add this by plus, adding this plus section, you can add this newsletter. So here put that newsletter and it will look like this. Sign up to receive your newsletter. So any section you want to add, you can just put it here and you will be able to add it. So here is text, anything you want to write, so just put it, text will be coming and you can edit the text, that whole paragraph you can change according to your choice, according to your need. I want to add, you wanted to put newsletter, right? So just put that newsletter. Got it? This newsletter, you can design it. Heading you can change by putting it, by just signing it here like that. Okay, our newsletter. Okay, you can change that. If you want to change, if you want to put some image here, you can choose image and you can put it here. Just see. Suppose if this image I want here. Now let's see how it looks. See, that image came, no? Yeah, this image, sign up to receive our newsletter. Got it? If you want to delete any section, you can just hover here and see here delete, right? So delete section, you can delete it. Okay. Now after that sign up, if you want to put some videos, so again this is the video section here. So I'm just guiding you what are the things you can add. Correct? What are the things you can add here? See, bio is about your biography, about the trainer, about the teacher. Then newsletter, you can see I have already given. Then text, any paragraph you want to write. Then image, I already shown you what are the how that image looks. See, if you put that image. Then video, if you want to put some video, I have already put here. If you want to edit it, you can hover here and edit here. See, so this is the video. Choose thumbnail, you can also choose. Heading also you can choose. This is the line, suppose I have written. Okay, see, make in India. Then about if you want to put some product, so just hover here. Okay, suppose hover here and see, it comes here products. If you add this product, so what are the products in your website is there, it will come. So I have already put it here. You can see products, all the products came here at one place. If you want to edit that image style, see, this was the image, no? I'll just design that image. This was the image. Now you can design that image. See, so if you want to change the style of the image, of the layout, you can see here. See how it is there. You can change this one. You can change like this. You can keep on changing whatever you want, like this. Okay. Then a style. What point? See how this style is there. I have already put it like this. So in that image, that sign up to receive your newsletter, it came. So it's a way to explore yourself. So video, you put that video, then products, then image, then you can make that grid. Anything you want to write in columns, so like this, it's a grid. Then FAQs, if you have some FAQs about your program, about your website, you can just add FAQs, see, and edit it according to your question answer. See, question answer, you can edit it. Then testimonials you can add. So if you just put it, click the testimonials, it will come, edit according to your requirement. So this is how the whole home page will look like. If someone, see, I just suppose signed up, published, and then after that published. If you click that published, so now it will look like, see how it looks. Okay, now after that you can see your website, view site. Okay, this is here, view site. You can just click it here, view site. So this is how your website will look like. If someone will come to your website, it will look like this. Okay, FAQ is there, then your name, your photos, you can put it here. So I hope it is useful, it is valuable, and I'm sure it will help you to launch your courses online. So I'm going to give you 2 important offers for you if you have already signed up from that link, and after 14 days, if you become a paid member of Podia, you can just take that screenshot of that payment and send that screenshot to the email ID which is given in the description. And after that, you will get a very good bonus which will help you to grow your business. And that offer is number 1, one-to-one coaching with me for 30 minutes. One-to-one coaching with me for 30 minutes, and you will be taken to Facebook community where you can explore yourself with the community members, how that Podia works, what are the great things you can do here. So that will be the place where you will learn from each other. So these are the 2 offers from my side. If you signed up from that link and you become paid member of Podia. So what are the things you need to do? You just become paid member of Podia, take that screenshot, send that screenshot to the email ID which is given in the description. So wish you a great success in your life, wish you to become a great coach, great trainer, great teacher, and of course wish you a great wealth in your life. So thank you for watching this video.